from where it was. It just kept going farther and farther out, going out here, a little bit further out into, it's not far from where this point right now, actually, from what we were looking at, don't you think? From what we're looking at, it looks like the low is pretty much in this location, which would follow the track from the National Hurricane Center. We have placed the rainfall totals that we're forecasting below the track. So for today, we are anticipating anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of rain. If it happens over a spread out time, we're going to fare a little better. Right. But the fact that we've seen flash flood warnings pop with a ½ inch to an inch of rainfall per hour, that's a little concerning to me. So we're going to have to watch it very closely as we go into the afternoon. Now, real relief is going to come when Harvey gets out of here. It's going to stay over the Gulf of Mexico. Let me see. I'm going to get a nice time on this. So it's over there right now, which it's noon, and we're expecting that landfall to be happening early Wednesday morning. Wow. So we're looking at over a 24-hour period where this area of low pressure can tap and feed into the Gulf of Mexico. We're not expecting rapid strengthening, and that's not the concern. The concern is the moisture. And let's talk about the reason why it's not, because many other times, if it gets out into the Gulf of Mexico, tropical system, tropical storm getting out of the Gulf waters, now it's going to balloon up. The atmospheric conditions are altogether different now with this, with all the dry air we've been seeing coming in. There's just not the mechanism in the upper levels because of what the dry air that's come in. I think that's cut that down quite a bit, don't you? I do. I mean, it's taken a beating. The storm system itself has taken a beating over the last 18 hours because of the mid-level dry air, which is what we want to see. But unfortunately, that time frame of over 24 hours over the Gulf of Mexico will allow enough low-level moisture to create those heavier showers. As we go out through Wednesday and Thursday, that's when we're going to see some real improvement, is when this area of low pressure is to our east. Now, this is the European model that you're seeing behind it with the rainfall totals between now and Thursday suggesting 10 to 12 inches. Right. The higher end of our forecast models are calling for 14 to 18 inches. So that's a wide gap, and at this point, 1 inch is a huge difference with how much that we've stacked up. So again, I can't say this enough, that we're in for a long stretch of additional issues, and we are not expecting widespread improvement until we get into tomorrow night. And the rain that's happening now over the areas where people are concerned about getting out now with the latest evacuation orders from Fort Bend County for those folks along the Brazos River. The rain is not expected to be tremendously heavy, but it is going to be moderate and heavy touches here and there as you're going through about your business. And I know a lot of you are trying to figure out, okay, what do I do? What do I take? When do I take it? And how do I get out? And of course, we've been talking about that all morning, along with the various ways that you can get out and get on the roads.